Your house might be working against your climate. And precolonial African engineers already understood why. In hot, humid regions, many modern buildings trap heat. Concrete absorbs heat during the day, then releases it slowly at night. So even after sunset, your room stays warm. But pre-colonial African building systems were designed differently. Earth walls still store heat, but they also breathe. Their porous structure allows air and moisture to move through the material, absorbing humidity when it's high and releasing it when it drops. That helps stabilize the indoor temperature without electricity. So instead of fighting the climate, the building works with it. Now imagine upgrading that system. Same principles, better engineering. This is climate engineering. African science was never primitive.